Defining your leadership values is one of the most important steps you can take to lead authentically and effectively. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step process to help you uncover what truly matters to you as a leader. Align your actions with your values and create a stronger foundation for how you lead. So grab a drink, get cozy, and let's chat. Welcome to the Unapologetically Authentic Leadership channel. My name is Brooke Bernard and I am a transformational leadership coach. I help my clients reach their goals by becoming the best version of themselves. And if you're interested in working together, you can always find my contact information in the description box below. To start the video, we are going to get you into the right headspace by doing a quick, empowering EFT meditation. This will help you release any self-doubt or tension and get you ready to reflect on your leadership journey. If you're new to EFT, or emotional freedom technique, you should also know it's called tapping. It's a simple but powerful way to calm your mind, release limiting beliefs, and realign with your intentions. We'll tap on specific energy points on the body while repeating affirmations to reinforce your confidence and your clarity. To help you follow along with me, during the meditation, I'm going to give you a quick primer right now to help you know where the tapping points are located. Today we'll be using the karate chop point, which is right here on the side of your hand. Just gently tapping is all you need to do. And then we'll also be using the eyebrow point, and then the side of the eye, and then under the eye, and then under the nose, the chin, and then under the collarbones, and finally on top of your head. All right, and now I'll walk you through the affirmations that are paired with each tapping point. Begin tapping gently on the karate chop point on the side of your hand with your fingertips. Tap on the side of your hand and repeat after me. Even though I sometimes doubt myself as a leader, I deeply and completely accept myself. Continuing to tap. Even though I've struggled to define my values, I'm open to discovering what truly matters to me. Continuing to tap, repeat after me. I release any tension or hesitation and allow myself to step into clarity and empowerment. And now move to gently tapping your eyebrow point, which is at the inner edge of your eyebrows, just above the inner corner of your eyes. And repeat after me while continuing to tap. I release any self-doubt or confusion about my leadership. I am capable of leading with authenticity and purpose. And now moving to the side of the eye, right at your bone, and repeat after me. Clarity comes to me with ease. I trust myself to identify the values that guide my leadership. Moving to under the eye, tapping under your eye just above your cheekbones, and repeat after me. I value my unique perspective and strengths as a leader. I am aligned with my purpose and my potential. And now moving under the nose, tapping between your nose and your upper lip, repeat after me. I release any pressure to be perfect as a leader. I choose to lead with confidence and authenticity. Now moving to the chin point. Gently tapping the area just below your lower lip and repeat after me. I trust myself to identify and live by my core values. I lead with integrity and purpose. And now moving to the collarbone point. Tap gently below your collarbone and repeat after me. I am proud of the leader I'm becoming. I honor my values and the impact I make as a leader. And now tapping the top of your head and repeat after me. I embrace my unique leadership style. I am ready to uncover and align with my leadership values. And now gently bring your hands into your lap, feeling calm, feeling confident. Take a deep breath in and release it slowly. Notice how your body feels. Calmer, clearer, more open to exploring your values. Whenever you're ready, let's dive into the process of defining your leadership values. As leaders, our values influence every decision we make and every interaction we have. When we're clear on what truly matters to us, we show up more consistently and inspire trust in those around us. Defining your leadership values isn't just about clarity. It's about alignment and creating a leadership style that feels authentic and sustainable. To get us started, let's reflect on your past experiences. Think about these questions, and I'll put them up on the screen beside me. What are you most proud of as a leader? What tough decisions have shaped your leadership? Who do you admire as a leader and why? Your answers will reveal patterns and insights about what matters most to you. Take a moment to jot down your reflections. And if you want, you can use the downloadable worksheet that I have linked in the description box below. These reflections will become the foundation for discovering your core values. Next, I'm going to invite you to explore some common leadership values. Look at this list and identify the words that resonate most with you. For example, integrity, which is one of my core values, may resonate if being honest and ethical is at your core. Empathy might feel right to you if you value understanding others on a deeper level. You'll find a comprehensive list of values in the worksheet, and I strongly advise you go through and highlight the ones that feel most meaningful to you. And now comes the challenge. I want you to narrow down the list of words that you identified, that you highlighted, to just your top 5. It's challenging, but totally worth it. Remember, this is about focusing on what's most important to you. Think about which values you want to guide your decision making and your interactions as a leader. And as a way of being vulnerable and sharing a little bit about myself, I've done this exercise multiple times in my career, and over time I was able to narrow it to a top 3. Authenticity, integrity, and compassion. These are the 3 core values I hold as a leader. And I know that every time I went into an interview, anytime I was thinking about how I wanted to write up a performance review, anytime I was navigating conflict within my team or with a peer, anytime that I was going to be going through the recruitment process, bringing new staff members onto my team, these core values were in front of me every single moment of my career. Whenever I needed to think about what was going to be my next step, or how did I want to interact with the staff member or with my leader, these core values inspired who I was going to be, how I was going to show up. So it is a very worthwhile activity. Next, I want you to define these values in your own words. For example, if one of your values is accountability, how does it show up in your leadership? Because we might hold similar values to other leaders, but how it shows up for us might be entirely different. Will be unique to who we are. So take a moment and define them for yourself. In the case of accountability, maybe it means taking responsibility for your own actions and holding others to the same standard. Defining your values adds clarity and helps you apply them to real situations. Finally, I want you to align your actions with your values. Ask yourself these questions, and I'll put them up on the screen next to me. How do my daily decisions reflect these values? Am I communicating my values to my team? For instance, if empathy is one of your core values, ensure that you are creating a culture where people feel seen and heard. Reflect on your alignment regularly. It's the key to staying consistent and authentic. Once you've defined and aligned your values, write down your leadership values statement. Here's an example. I lead with empathy, integrity, and innovation, creating an inclusive space where my team can thrive. Your statement is a powerful reminder of who you are as a leader. Use the worksheet to craft your leadership values statement and revisit it often. It's your guide to authentic leadership. If you haven't already, take a moment and download the leadership values worksheet. It'll be totally worth your time. It's a great tool to guide you through this process and to reflect on your progress. And remember, on this channel, we're all about progress, not perfection. So let me know in the comments, what are your top 5 leadership values? And if you're ready to go there, what are your top 3? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with other women that you know who are passionate about growing as leaders. Together, let's lead with clarity and purpose. The world needs it. The world needs us. The world needs you. Thank you for spending this time with me today, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Defining your values, your leadership values, will change how you lead, how you enter spaces, how you communicate who you are to your team, to your leader, to your profession. Good luck to you. I hope you really benefit from this activity. And until next time, stay true to yourself, lead with purpose, and thank you for watching.